Hi guys, for today's language lesson, you're going to need your notes that you took yesterday because we're going to add to those notes. If you didn't take those notes yesterday, you need to go back and watch yesterday's video and write down. We wrote down some examples of descriptive adjectives and quantitative adjectives. Today we're going to add a third category of adjectives. The fancy name for these is demonstrative adjectives. They call them in your book which one. So it's an adjective that tells which one of something. So this, that, these, and those are examples of demonstrative adjectives. If you look at page 143, they give you a noun and then you need to give it an adjective. So you're going to look at your notes and the first noun is shirt. Well, the first thing they want to know is they want us to give a what kind or a descriptive adjective for the shirt. So we could say large shirt, red shirt, anything like that. Any word that you would describe Wonder Woman shirt, red shirt, using a word to describe it. Then the next thing says how many. So since it's shirt, we would say one shirt, or if we wanted to make it plural, we could say two shirts, or we could say some shirts, or no shirts. Then it asks which one. So there's where you would use a demonstrative adjective. This shirt, that shirt, these shirts, those shirts. So that's what you're going to do for Think A. You're going to look at that noun, and you're going to put in each kind of adjective to describe that noun, using the notes that we took yesterday and today. Then the next, in Think B, let's look at that one. It says circle the adjective in each group of words. In the blank before the words, write the question the adjective answers. So the adjective can answer the question, what kind, how many, or which one. So let's go through this together. Number one says, huge tree. Well, we know that the noun in that sentence is tree because tree is a thing. So our adjective would be the word huge. So we would circle the word huge. And then we would look at our questions. Does that tell what kind of tree, how many trees, or which one? Well, it tells what kind. It tells me about the size. It describes the tree. So I would put in the blank, what kind. Number two says that car. So again, I would look. Does that tell me what kind of car, how many cars, or which one? It tells me which one. So I would circle the word that, and I would write which one. You'll continue to do this same process through the rest of Think B. For Write C, you just have to write a good adjective to describe each purple noun. So they've given you the noun, you need to write an adjective that would describe it. Think about those colorful adjectives we've used in your writing all year long. Now, on 144, it's a very similar thing. Okay, so on page 144, what we're going to do is we are going to first find the nouns in the sentences. Remember, we're looking for those person, those places, and those things. So let's look at sentence number one. Actually, it's number two, because number one was already done for you. So number two on page 144. Dad keeps that old car in the garage. All right, so the first thing we have to do is underline the nouns. So we have dad, we have car, and we have garage. All right. So do we have any describing words for dad? We don't. So now I have to look for describing words that describe the car. And I see that I have actually two. I have a which one, that, and I have a descriptive, old, or what kind. So what I'm going to do is circle the adjectives that describe the car. Then I'm going to draw a line from those adjectives to the noun that they are referencing. Okay, so that old car, those are the words that describe the car. And then my last noun is garage, and I don't have any adjectives that describe garage. Now, later on, we're going to talk about the words a, an, and the, because those words are, well, they're sort of a special kind of adjective. But for right now, you don't have to worry about those. Okay. So our second sentence says, Mother made David a big chocolate birthday cake. So again, the first thing I have to do is I have to underline my nouns. I have mother, I have David, and I have cake. Oh, I forgot the word birthday. Look at that. Okay, so then I have to look for what words are describing cake. Now, you're going to notice that in third grade, our adjectives are going to come before our nouns. So that's sort of a hint for you. Once you find the nouns, look at the words before the noun. All right? So I have no words that are describing mother, no words that are describing David. However, I do have words that are describing the cake. So big, chocolate, and birthday all describe the cake. All right, so now you're going to continue on for the remainder of the page. Underline your nouns first, then circle your adjectives, and I will see you tomorrow.